Okay, now we are stream. Sorry guys. I was streaming but it fucking lagged. I don't know why. It fucking lagged. Now we're good. Now we are good. It should be in. So let me share this. Yeah, okay, that was like the worst stream ever. The one before, and now it should be working. Okay, now we are live. Okay, finally. Okay, great. Now we are live. That's good. Okay. Welcome guys in the stream. I don't know why everything is lagging. Yo, how are you? Fuck, it lagged. Okay, it's not moving again, bro. Like, what the fuck? Sorry, I need just to do that, and we good. Okay, yo guys. Sorry, I was streaming before, but as I had a VPN, it was not working. I don't know why. Now, did it reloaded everything? Yeah, okay. Yeah, also here, nice. Nice, we have it here. Let's look at this one also. It needs to be reloaded. Please reload it. Reload it, brother. Reset charts. Well, it don't want to be reloaded. Can it be reloaded? Daily session, low chances stochastic session low, daily low. So yeah, I have a bullish bias for today. So let's see. 57 of the week took the weekly low. Well, we probably take the weekly low later, but the monthly high is my target, and we're pretty close of it. We are pretty close of the like 1% away of the monthly high. So that's my target for now. We played it pretty good, guys. We honestly played it very good the last days. Honestly, that was insane. We caught the top, we closed at the bottom. Yo Ash, yo guys, yo Josel, yo PB Angel, yo Axolo, yo Logigi, yo 0xkk. How are you guys? So you guys remember what we did? We fucking shorted BTC at the top. We long here, we shorted at the top, and I fully closed it here, okay, around seller's average price, which was my first target, and then we started to build long position. Same for the complexion bottom will be a target. Then on Ethereum, we shorted the high, closed at the bottom, started too long, added some more size. I'm not fully sized again, okay, this can go lower. I just started to take some entries. 1k to Monday high. What do you mean? To monthly high, yeah. Yeah, monthly high is like 1k higher. What I would love is maybe some like rejection towards the daily rolling view up. Will be a nice long around these levels. Would be great. Maybe we get it, maybe we don't get it. But that would be a nice level. That would be a nice level to trade. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can get it. I bought some BTCs. Average entry 77. Average entry on Ethereum 2k300. So that's pretty good. Now let's see if we can get a bounce on these prices. Honestly, because for example, if we go back to this, like, yeah, that will be like 2x on Ethereum. So that's great. That'll be lovely. So well, we probably not go to this level right now. It will take time, guys. Again, be patient. So BTC is pumping nicely again. That's pretty good. Yesterday I shot some longs. So basically I went long before bed around this level. Okay. And so the target is pretty much here. Okay, so that's pretty good. That's kind of like a 1-to-1 risk reward. So if this can go to the TP, that will be nice. Again, my exact entry, sorry guys, is 76k 400. 76k 400. It's here. So yeah, if you guys want, well, I showed it in the group, but basically let me open that, the Telegram up. Here we have basically, oh sorry, here we have the Telegram. You guys can see that basically, yeah, took the longs yesterday. Okay, the price even dipped lower. I didn't got filled on these orders already, but the price dipped lower. And so yeah, if you guys remember, also I shared this spot position, I shared this spot position, fully closed the shorts, ready to DCA down to final target 69k, long medium term plays, very good discount for investments. We played it very well. We closed all our spots and longs at like 96 to 98k's. We didn't bought anything till here. We were short only till this level, and we bought literally 20k lower BTC, and we also bought 10k 1k lower Ethereum. So that was an insane play. Okay, and now we took the long, so that is pretty good. Everything was documented here in the VIP. It was also documented here, guys. I mean, in the public, I gave you guys a lot of value. I was explaining you guys all the time that we were short and we were targeting lower prices on BTC all the time. Okay, guys, remember this short was the same here on Ethereum. I kept updating you guys on what was going on and what were my plans. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are still not in the Telegram, guys, the link is in the description of the stream. You guys can join. This is fully free. Okay, and if you guys want to get access to all my signals, also, for example, today I did an analysis with all my screenshots. There's the VIP. You guys can also see that the members are printing like crazy since we started. Again, we can go up much higher, and we also have the VIP course that will be released tonight, guys. Sorry I took time because I was traveling. I will post it tonight, the VIP course. So like 10 videos about my system, risk management, setting realistic targets, psychology, order flow, TPO, all this stuff. View up to you guys will learn it. It will be posted. So if you guys want to join the group, it's totally free. Just guys have to create an account on our partner exchange, and you click here in the find message. Okay, you send go to Diego Trades contact, and you guys will be able to join the VIP Telegram, which is free. Now let's get back to this. Okay, little rejection. Well, that's very clean. Let's see what we get here on the crypto dashboard. Oh, I didn't show your comment. Yo, hello, good day, Faman. How are you? Could you put the music a bit louder, please? You are damned right every single time, bro. As your instruction, BTC gonna take daily high, legendary. Yes, always. Let me decrease the music. I decrease it. So yeah, new subscriber here. Thanks, Faman. Thanks a lot. Hi, Nicolas Crudo. Hi, Josizia. So let's get it. But yeah, honestly, it was pretty impressive that we nailed most of the moves. Now we have nice beats. This can still pump a bit higher. Where's the session low? Basically, session low should be, yeah, like this or this. So we have low chances to take this also. Let's see. Because what's important to see on the daily is that we also have 22% chances that the high and the lows are already in and we don't move up. Okay, so we could basically just range here. Okay, and that will be even more possible if we take this low, that is the session low, and therefore the session high, low chances to take it, and then we just range here. And tomorrow maybe we have a pump, and then we go back to this level, because I feel like this will be taken, and probably lower and then higher. That's pretty much how I want to play it. So you guys, if you guys want to take a screenshot, this is it. Will be nice. Or maybe we just go toward this level a bit higher and then we go back, but I don't see the low being in here. Even though I'm long, okay, I'm long. I fully closed my swing shorts, and I started to buy a lot of spot and also swing long. I also closed my Ethereum shorts, started to buy spot, and I'm swing long. I still have a lot of AMO to DCA lower. I also want to DCA on Hype, on Solana, on Aster, on some altcoins. This is the moment to buy, guys. Honestly, like, everyone was buying here. From these prices, we are literally like 56% lower. You can buy, like, you divide the price by 2. That's insane. And on BTC, almost the same thing. Like, it's 30% now. Yeah, 40%. So like I bought 40% lower than the all-time highs, which is insane, right? Where everyone was fucking bullish here. We spent a lot of time here, and now you can buy here, okay? And look, from these prices, we're already like 69%. So we can still do some prices. Honestly, I feel like if we bounce from here, You probably go higher, like 130, 40. You can get the 2x from these prices. So let's see how it goes. Aster coded. What do you mean? 70k, 72k is target low. Yeah, thank you. Yes, Mehdi, désolé, je regardais pas, je t'enverrai ça. Yo, Maxu, what's your percent risk per limit order on your swing? My total risk on the swing will be like 5 to 8%. For now, I'm just risking 3%, something like this. I'm also in spot, so the risk is a bit higher because I'm also in spot and in unified account. But I don't see the price. I mean, I usually don't expose more than like 100% of my account. So if I'm all in, is that I'm exposed 100% of my account. So the price needs to go to 0 for me to be liquidated. If it goes down 88%, I will be down 88%. But if we go to like 60k, Ethereum goes under 2k, I'm open to be exposed 150%, even 200%. Because if we go to like 1k 900, I don't see Ethereum going to 9k 400. And I also don't see BTC going to 30k if we go to 60k. So I'm okay to expose a bit more in order to be able to double my size at like very, very discounted price, right? You don't do that when the price is at 80k or when the price is at 100k. You do that when the price is at 70k, 60k. Your roof. Have you already taken trade in this trip? No. That's the trade from yesterday that I showed in the group. Basically in the group, I close my shorts at the bottom. I also swing long on BTC and Ethereum. So if you guys want to see, these are the plays. Okay, BTC, Ethereum also here. We closed the shorts and we went long. That was pretty good execution. So yeah, we are printing. I will also show you guys the results from my account. You know, the account I track on my trading journal with 100k capital. You guys will see the results speaking for itself. Again, I remember someone in the chat, if I was in a YouTube video, was like, oh, you think you're making money, but you only up 3%, blah, blah, blah. I don't, like, he was raging. I will show you guys the result of the trading journal that are pretty sick. Pretty sick results. What's your favorite coin for trading? Bitcoin, honestly. I take like 80%, even like 90% of my trades only on BTC. So yeah. BT for the win, guys. What's the percent of lot you bought in one part in spot? I bought with like 40-50% of my capital that I have in USDT and USDC. I have some other funds that I can bring in, but for now, what I have on my crypto account, I bought with 50%, and I trade basically with the remaining USDT and with the unified account. So I put my BTCs and my Ethereums in basically in collateral to trade. And so I will be ready to buy more a bit lower, or I could shave some spots if we go back above 80s and expect a pullback. And if we don't, and we have a reclaim of an important level, I will miss a 2-3% increase and I will buy higher. I don't really care. But the thing is that I don't really want to do that because I remember the last two big BT bottoms that I missed. The first one at 16Ks. I bought a lot of crypto at 16Ks, and as I was not really a good spot investor at that time, was like 4 years ago, guys, so I was still learning. I bought a lot, and as I was day trading every day, the price pumped to 20Ks, and I like closed my spot to buy lower. But in the future, I was like, bro, you're so dumb. You bought fucking crypto at 16K, bit at 16K, Ethereum was like $800. Solana was at 8, and I sold it all like at 1k 200, 20k, and like $20 on Solana. Then I bought again, of course, but I literally caught the bottom. And so the thing is that when you buy spot investments, you really want it to be long term. Like you will buy S&P, like you will buy bonds, like you will buy stocks. Okay, you want to hold them long term. That's not the same thing as doing leverage. Okay, you really I put this amount and I lock it for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, even 10 years. And I don't touch it. And if we go lower, I will have more money for my trades and for my work, and I will add it to my spot investments. And this is how you create a portfolio on the long term. Because if you try to day trade with your spot investment, you will not make money on the long run. So yeah, that's something important, honestly, guys. Did you guys shorted with us at the highs, and did you guys were able to buy some spots at these lower prices? Yeah, I've been trying to day trade spot and add my ass ended to me. Yeah, that's a big mistake that lot of people do. Is that you are used to day trade, so when you will buy spots, you will be up and you will close it. But you really have to make a difference between spots and between swing or even day trading. Okay, spot is not a swing. You can take spots and you can take swing trades, but that's not the same. That's what I'm doing. For example, I'm buying spot, but I'm also taking these swing trades. I can take some profit, add it, etc. But on the spot, you really want to maximize it and just like hold it. I bought some last night. Cool. I mean, Bitsy sold Ethereum, XRP at the lows earlier today. Let's see. Nice entry. That's nice. That's nice. Hopefully for you, we bottom. Well, hopefully for me, no. I hope personally for me that we still have a bit of downside, maybe like a few % on these. Before bottoming, because I would like to buy a bit more. We'll sell at 88k, bro, if we reach. Nice. Yeah, let's see. For now, I really don't expect a V reversal, so we probably just chop. Remember that we just broke out, guys, from an insane range. We've been 3 months in the same range, now like 2 months and a half, in like the 96k 80k range, even more like in like the 88k 86k 92k range. Okay, even tighter. So now we just broke down, okay, and we had a big move, which was logical to expect. And now we probably just range, okay, we probably just accumulate or distribute again for lower, but we have low chances for me to like fuck shit, sorry, I was playing rocketing, I missed an open goal. Fuck me. But yeah, basically, what's cooking here? Yo, Index, how are you? We fucking lost. Bull trap or be market? I don't know, honestly. Could be like a 1 year bear market. I mean, from here, October, if we do this timestamp, we can do some shit like this, okay? Up into like March. Maybe we have something into May. May you sell. Boring summer. And then up. We dip to like 50k, 60k. And then we run towards 27, Q4, 26. That's possible, okay? We can range. If you guys look from December, or from Jan. Yo. If you guys look from January 2025, we did this, okay? Now we can do some shit like this, okay? Kind of the same, right? Basically will be this. It's what we had, right? So yeah. I mean, 1 year of price action, we had a 68% range. So we could have some sort of like range from like these highs to have like this 50% range, and then we explode, okay? 2 years of kind of, because that was a bull market for BTC, but here, guys, if you look at the altcoins took a big hit, okay? Altcoins are done like 80-90%. So yes, you had some opportunities. There was the Aster airdrop, there was some coins that went like crazy, but if you look at the global picture, yes, BTC made a new all-time high, but the market was shit. So that was possibly already like end of bull. For me, the bull was this. This was the bull, guys. This was the bull into Trump, and the end of the bull was Trump. Then we have a fake pump, like we had a fake pump here that was kind of okay, and then we corrected, and that's what we can have. I don't expect such a huge like this, like November 2021 into like November 2022. So yeah, that's 1 year basically. We can have like 1 year of this, okay? We can have 1 year of this, of like the price doing some shit like this, and then we go back up, right? That will be 1 year. Bouncing here, going toward these levels, then we correct, we have a range, and then we have a big dip, and then we pump toward all-time highs. Okay, that's possible. That will be a logical logical scenario to me. That's kind of what I'm expecting for now. And for the bull things, if we do reclaim this and we really hold above that, yeah, then we go fire and we trap everyone, right? And that was a clean thing. And then maybe we do that. But I've got a lot of scenarios. Again, you guys know that I love to make a bunch of scenarios. So let's see. Aster also started a buyback program. Yeah, I think Aster is going to optimize in the future, like easily. So if you look at Aster, also what's interesting on Aster, where is my little Aster? I don't have it here. Aster. If we look at Aster, well, we touch my alarm. Basically, this level is the listing price on all the exchanges. This is where everyone, when Aster was released on Bybit, on Bluffin, on ZoomX, on Tapbit, on all the exchanges, okay, it was at this price, 0.55, where everyone was able to long, and people that longed at this price were in profit since literally 19 September. So they were in profit for literally 135 days, okay, for like 3 months, no, even more, like 4 or 5 months they were in profits. So now we took their average entry, and around this level is where I'm interested to buy. Okay, I bought some at 0.5. That was my first order. And so from this price, we can easily do, that's a 4x, okay, the 4.5x. You can easily do a 2x, okay, from here. If we go back above 1, that will be a 1.5x. That will be a 2x at 1.6. And even if we fill this, like the 4x will be at like 2.19. So that's possible. That's totally possible. And I feel like Aster could be a nice play. Obviously, you don't allocate more than 10% on the Aster, that would be dumb, but you can put 5%, 10% of your portfolio, right? Red is a pain in the ass. Yeah, I'd love to see green. Yeah, some green would be nice. We have the time to long, bro. This week is green next on red. How do you know? Aster is so bullish, back and one launch 0 since today. Yeah. The Aster on the long run, I think it's a nice play. I mean, everything took time, guys. Aster is a brand new project. Look at Ethereum. I mean, from here we dumped like fucking 83%. From these highs we dumped fucking 80%. If you look at all the cryptos, even Solana, guys. I mean, Solana, look here. We dumped 93%. Okay. Even hype from the highs here, dumped 74% before performing. Dodge. Let's look at Dodge. Damn, Dodge. It done fucking like 88%, and then from these lows it did like a 10x. Okay, so all the cryptos they can do that. Look at ZEC, same thing. From these highs, ZEC, or even bigger, from these fucking highs, ZEC went down like 99%, and then from these lows it went up 6,700%. Okay, so if we look at Aster from the highs, okay. Oh shit, sorry. What is lagging on? From the highs, and it's a brand new project. From the highs, we went down like 80%. So this can still go like down 90, like around 0.20. Well, 0.20 will be big, honestly. I feel like this is like kind of bottom zone. And from here, you can load for the long run. This can go even to 4, guys. That will be 1,000%. So yeah, I mean, that could be a nice spot investment. Aster scotted, yes sir, exactly. Plus the 4 of CZ. I feel like we live in a simulation, guys. It's a matrix, so we have to go to like 4 on Aster. That would same as BNB, guys. It took time to go. Solana has good future. What's your take on it? Yeah, probably also. I like Solana. The projects I want to buy are basically BTC, Ethereum, a lot of them. And then I want to be exposed to the DEXs, so Aster and IPE. And also Solana, because Solana is the next blockchain, okay? Low fees. I mean, if you have to take for me 5 projects here, that will be 2 DEXs, so you can choose. There's also Lider, that could be nice. So be exposed to the DEXs, okay? Be exposed to the 3 majors, and that's it. You have the good basket. You have 5 crypto you're exposed. You create your crypto portfolio based on these 5, and that's it. That's very good. For me, that's the best way to be invested in the crypto market. Sold on ICP. I don't really trade it. I don't have it. It's one of my it has what is ICP, guys? What is ICP? Now let's see. We did took the station low, I think. Yeah, session low was taken, so now we have low chances to take out the session high. So maybe today, like I said, there was two options when I made the plan. We either go towards the monthly high, or as you can see, we have 22% of the days that move further than 5.8%. So we have 1 chances out of 5 that the daily high and the weekly low are already printed and we don't take them. So we just range and stay in the daily range, right? So that's a possibility, okay? And now we have low chances to take out the session high and low chances to take out the daily low. So we can stay in between. So I'm not forcing anything. I'd long lower, okay? Why not? But I'm not shorting here. So yeah, that could be a boring day. But again, we could have some boring, it would be even better to have like some boring days or even like 1-2 boring weeks with a range forming that we can trade, and in order for us to be able to accumulate spots, okay, and to find the best price entries. That will be the best. Deja vu. Yo, Matis, how are you? No, we didn't took this position, guys. I took this position with the VIP Discord. I took this position, yes. Well, basically yesterday I said that I was long, guys, in the VIP. You guys can see here. That was the position from the Discord, basically, from the VIP Telegram. By the way, guys, if you are not in the VIP Telegram, it's totally free. The link is in the description of the stream. Hello, Mano, how are you? Description of the stream, and you guys can get access to the public Telegram where I share everything, and then you just click on the pin message, you send me Go on Diego Trades contact, and you guys can join the VIP Discord, the VIP Telegram that is free with all my trading calls, all my analysis, a trading course that will be posted tonight, the VIP chat, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's totally free. You guys just have to register and trade on our partner exchange, so anyone can do it. So yeah, if you guys are interested, the link is in the description. Now let's look at this thing. Failing to close above that. Could be nice to retest maybe the weekly view up here. 76k 700. Yeah, like the weekly, the daily, weekly, and also the running view up. That will be a nice entry. How are you going? What are you trading now? I'm long Bitcoin Ethereum from the lows, swing long. I'm also spot long. And regarding scalping, I'm waiting. I had this position, but that's more like a swing one. And I'm expecting the price to either range here or retest the monthly high. Now let's see. Let's wait. Let's see what we can get. I'd like a bit lower maybe, but that would be a bit forcing a trade because we don't really have any setup. Honestly, here we just broke down, so we have to wait a bit to get like a new range, right? To get a new range with new levels, so we can trade them. To have like the VWAPs coming back down, the running VWAPs, to have the EMAs also. That could be a nice stuff. Sorry. My bad. How do you check if there are people chasing long? You can see it here on the order flow. You can see it here on the order flow. I will show it to you guys. I'm on long term. Nice. From which entry price, brother? What is your entry price? Let's see if we can get a little retest loud. That would be nice. That'd be nice. Maybe to try something. Yo, BPH CNG, how are you, bro? So, time for Icos. Maybe we can get an entry here, guys. Maybe we can get an entry. Shit, I opened a new Rocket League game. I'm losing all my games when I'm streaming. I shouldn't play when I'm streaming. By the way, guys. Oh shit, I will receive this week or maybe this weekend a prompter to have basically I can spam you guys videos with like a script I prepare so I can make quality videos. Green background, so I can also put nice background for like professional videos instead of going back to to a podcast studio. I'm buying the big microphones like this, buying lights, buying also a chair because I have all my office ready, but I have like the kitchen chair, so it's horrible for my back. So yeah, buying all this so I can make great content for you guys, can have quality streams, etc. So yeah, that's going to be very nice. By the way, guys, for those who are wanting to do a copy trading, I'm up almost how much? Almost 2k on the 20k challenge. So that's like, yeah, that's 10%. I'm up 10% already on the copy trading challenge on Tapbit. The link is in the description, guys. To create an account on Tapbit, very great exchange, low fees, no KYC. You have all the trading pairs, high leverage. You create an account, you can copy trade me. Okay, you look for digital charts and you can copy trade me 20k to 200k, no 20k to 100k challenge. So that's a 10x, a 5x. And you guys can also see here, basically, the image. Sorry, the image is here. Where is it? That's the image here, basically. So you can also get, okay, that will be in May. We will fly someone from my referral link on Tapbit, so a copy trader, a copy trader or user, or someone that is trading on Tapbit. Okay, he will be flown to Paris with me. He will be at an hotel and he will come to watch a Roland Garros game in the VIP sections, so just in front of the players. Hopefully it will be Alcaraz. I will try to get the best match possible. Would love to get the final or the semis. We'll see with them. So yeah, you get also on the deposit bonus. If you deposit $100, you get $60. If you deposit 1k, you get $600. And if you deposit 5k, you get $3k in bonus. Instant reward for new users to boost your trading journey. Okay. Of course, you don't just deposit and leave. They will ban your account. So you have to deposit, trade a little bit with it. So if you want to trade with 5k, 1k, or even more, you can go. And you can even join the copy trading. For example, those who want to join the 20k challenge with 20k, they can join with 20k. With the 5k, they will get 3k bonus. So, and they can trade with it. Okay, they can trade with the 3k and they can put the 20k in the copy trading. Again, it's a copy trading challenge. So if you put 20k, be ready that this can be a loss. Okay, because that's a challenge. Again, that's a 5x challenge. And you can join with less. You can join with 200, you can join with 100, you can join with 50, you can join with 1k, you can join with 1 million if you want, but that would be risky. So do that if you have like 100 million, and that's it, right? So the link is in the description, guys, for Tapbit. Okay, they have all the trading futures. They have 100x leverage, up to 500, I think. No KYC, which is very good, and you have this instant bonus. And again, I will take one off the affiliates with me to Roland Garros. That will be nice. Now let's get back to BTC. Well, still didn't got any trigger. Hopefully that was not the local bottom. If not, we just wait for today. But basically, as you guys can see, I'm targeting the monthly high. Like, there's no chances we don't take the monthly high at like 69k 500. That's my low time frame target. Then we'll see. Then we probably will have to go back to the monthly low. Okay. Like, I don't really expect the monthly low to be placed the first, like the 2 of the months, honestly. Knowing that we still have liquidations lower, maybe, and I would be up on my spots. I will live about with 50% of my cryptos at the bottom, but I still think we can get better prices lower. Yo, Chrisia, watching for Norway. Nice. Afternoon account today. Nice. How many parts we should buy in 50 spots according to you, bro? It's up to you. Honestly, it's up to you. If you feel like the price can go lower, you can wait, but prices are good. So at least at these prices, start with DCA spot. Even right now, we're still at 78k, which is a good price. CME gap 93k, possible eat soon. Yeah, that was also something. Everyone was talking when we're at 85k, 86k, the 93k CME gap. And I told you guys, gaps tend to be filled. It's not gaps are filled. They tend to be filled. They can be filled in like 3 months later, 1 year later. So we can leave the 93k gap for like 2-3 months, okay? And get back there in like a few months. Same as the gap that is up to like 80, the current gap I think up to 84k. Maybe we take 2-3 weeks or even a month, okay? I'm also 22 years old, bro. Nice. Nice. The youngsters are here. Does Tapbit get access to VIP? Is it linked to Tapbit? No. Is it linked to no, it's not linked to Bybit. It's not linked to Bybit. I like challenges. Yes, challenges are good. And honestly, we might have good conditions because you want to, what I love to do with the challenges is to go long, right? It's always better to be long on the challenge because you have more upside potential, okay, when the price is low. And right now the prices are low. So if we can get nice entries on swings, we can be able to get very, very good prices, right? On the challenge, I would love to swing long Astor on 0.5, 0.4, to swing long Ethereum, to swing long BTC, and to ride them to the highs. That would be nice. Also 22. Nice. So yeah. Now, if we look at the VWAP, okay, that's the previous monthly VWAP. We have the previous monthly value reload here, 85k, so that will be a resistance. We have the monthly VWAP and the value. We want to let it develop. Okay, we are for now above the monthly VWAP. We have the previous weekly VWAP value reload here at 79k 600, which is also around the monthly high in the single print, so we cannot be filled that and then have a rejection here. If we reject that, that could be a nice short for the lows. Quarterly, we have the current quarterly value reload at 83k 400, and for the yearly, we have basically previous yearly value, okay, lows at 87k, the 2025 yearly VWAP at 99k, okay, was a resistance. We have the current value and the current yearly VWAP here at 88k. We have the value reload of current year at 83k 600, okay, and we also have yeah, which is pretty much the same as the quarter, and we have the 2024 value here with the 2024 value over high 79k 500, same as basically our target, and we have the 2024 VWAP at 65k, so that's the maximum target on the downside. Okay, for me that's the maximum we can go. Yo, Tim, how are you? I'm 23 and lucky. I'm 26. Oh, you guys still young. For me, guys, there's no age to start trading and to start making money. The younger, the better, of course, but anyone can do it. So yeah, these are the VWAPs level. We have single prints, same 79Ks. If we look at this, for example, we have the big 8-week composite with basically the value reload here at 86k 500, value re high here at 92k, the POC at 87k at 100, and we have the extremities. Okay, we swap the extremities, get back. If we do get back here, why not having push here, okay, into the value reload and the POC for retest? That could be how I played. Basically, either some stuff like that, okay, or reclaim of that, and then we go throughout these levels, okay. That's something that we could have also. Let me put a bug here, basically, okay. That's kind of what we can play. So basically some stuff like that, okay. Kind of my triggers. Reclaim, like get above 80k, 81k, and why not having longs into like 86, 87 and fill this. And if we cannot reclaim that and we target lower, then we can target the lows and maybe like low 70s. I miss bull market also. Well, personally, I don't really miss it because I also love to trade during the bear market. I mean, you can also make money during bear markets. That's what we do, so there's no problem with that. Just to show you guys the statistics of and to show you guys that it's possible to make money, look at this. This is my trade AI trading journal, okay, from the 1st December to right now, okay, to February. So we are up 23k on the 23k 500, which is basically 23.5%, as this is a 100k account. The goal on this account is to make a 2x on a year, so to be at 100k profits in December 2026. Basically, in order to do a 2x, I want to do 6% a month. If you do 6% a month compounded, that's 2x a year. Right now, we started in fucking December. Okay, you guys can see the first trade was literally the 4th December. And we are already up 23.5%. If you do 6 times 4, it's 24%. So we are almost up 4 months in a row, 6%. So this means that the account is already almost at December, January, February, March. The account is almost already at the profit targets we have to hit for the challenge end of March. So we have already February and March in advance, which is insane. So let's focus on swing longs. I will try to do some day trades on this account, but I will also focus on doing some swing trades in order for this to be a nice one. We took 62 trades, 43 wins, 12 break-even, 7 losses, 69.3% win rate on 62 trades. That's very good. Average trade duration 8 hours. Long short ratio, 1 long for 2.8 shorts. Okay, so basically we took 3 times more shorts than long, which is logical as the market was going down. We were focusing on shorts. Basically, if we look months to year, 2025, we made 11k 600 in December, so 11%. In January, we made 10k 800, so 10%. And in February, we're already up 1k4 with the close trade. All the trades are documented here, guys. If it can load. Oh, shit. Well, maybe it takes time, but all the trades are here for those who already know the stream. You guys can also see the analytics. We can see the days. Okay, basically the best days. Thursday is still the best day. Made some wins Saturday, so now Saturday is not red anymore. The only red day is Sunday, minus $400. And the hours also, the best hour for me is basically the New York Open, plus 9k during the New York Open and Thursday. So basically the prime day and hour for me is basically Thursday at New York Open. That's the best, okay? Trade expectancy $280. So basically whenever I open a trade, I can expect to make $280. Average daily PNL $690 per day, okay? Average daily PNL percentage of 0.6. Average trades per day 1.8. Max consecutive loss, this is important, only 1, okay? I still didn't experience a big drawdown and a big losing streak. You guys know that I always say that you will experience a big losing streak, so I have to be ready for this because I didn't have it already. So I need to be ready for that, and that's fine because I'm already up a lot, so I will still be in profits. Yeah, and max consecutive gain, 16 wins in a row. That was insane on only 62 trades. That's a lot. The performances, you guys can see it here, okay? That's pretty good. Psychology here tracked also, okay? Risk management also, you guys can see that the best trades and profits I made are on the 0.5 to 1 risk reward trade. biggest losses on the 1 to 1.5, and then in average is pretty good. And in the strategy, I'm making most of my wins in scalps, okay, and also swings good. I'm making more money shorting, and I'm also making more money while we were ranging, which was logical, right? So you have everything. You also have the time frame. When I entered in the 1 hour time frame, I was making losses, while on the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes, it was way better. You can also have the win rate, etc. Everything is tracked, everything is journaled. You have basically all the trades that are placed. You can also have the P&L calendar, days by the week, days by months, week by months. You can also have week by years, months by quarters, okay? And you can also have basically months by years. So let's try to have a full green. That's also I found your channel today. Love the strategy we shared in your last video. Thanks, Marcos. If you guys want to trade, to try this trading journal, which is totally automated, I'll put you guys the link in the chat. Okay, the bot will answer, and you guys will basically just have to click and to create an account and to get the trading journal, which is for me the best in the market. If you guys want, Avax know it already. Basically, it's in order to get the link for the trading journal. So if you guys want also to track all your data like that. We are pumping, right? Yeah, we are pumping back. Maybe we can get the monthly high today. Let's see if we can get it. I will have them check later, for sure. Yeah, for sure. So, let's see. Basically, what could be interesting here is that we have low chances, look, to take out the session high, well, 43% and 14%, and we are very close to it here. So could be kind of funny to this. If you guys remember, also played out perfectly. If we go on the 5 minute, basically that could be a trade. Okay, here stops above that, and like target this, playing the session. But I don't find any edge to play that thing right now. Okay, if we basically look, for sure. Just John, can you explain your potential trades for today? Yes. What trade are running? Basically, I'm swing long on BTC, swing long on Aster, and swing long on Ethereum. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is here. So yeah, in nice position. From the bottom, we got a nice bounce already. Yo, 8% from the low on Ethereum. On BTC, we got a nice 5%. That was nice. Unfortunately, I was sleeping when we fucking dumped to this level. It was 4 AM here. So yeah, didn't got it. Now let's see. Not really interesting in going short because, well, puntings are red. Spot is buying. Okay. We are above multiple levels on the view up. Also, we can pump a little bit higher. We still have high chances to take out the monthly high. We have this single print here, single print here, single print here. Let's look at the longs if they are chasing. Let's look at Kiyotaka also. Spot is low-key strong, so see, this trade is a bit shit. That's why I'm not taking it, right? Like, playing the session high, not really worth it. Spot is buying from the low, so maybe we do have a bounce. And yes, and in terms of the yearly, let me check this. Yeah, we don't have that. Look at the delta. The delta is pretty low. And yes, and it's the aggregated footprint. So that's the volume from all the exchange. The volume is pretty shit. I mean, 200 mil volume, but we have a lot of, no, even more. Total volume is like 400 mil, but we have longs and shorts opening here. So like, there's not like longs being trapped here. While at the lows, overnight, when we dumped here, guys, look, we've had a bunch, right? 171 in delta, so lots of longs trapped. That could be chased at like mid 75k. And yeah, the volume was not crazy, guys. Volume was very big here when we dumped at this level. You guys can see, okay, 50 mil, 200 mil, 250 50 mil, 500 mil, 600 mil. Yeah, like almost 800 mil in shorts chasing. And here we've got a lot of longs also chasing. So these levels probably get retested, and now we just squeeze them, okay, to higher prices. We like squeeze 5% higher from the lows. So now let's see. But I still don't have like any clear trigger on that. Oh, we do have a little wanger here on the CVD, so could be interesting. Maybe to get some shit, but we did took the session high here. I think. Look. Can this be updated? Oh no, we didn't took it. Okay. Maybe not on all the exchanges. So could be a rejection, but I'm not forcing anything. How are you doing? Feeling good to be here. Thanks, Zubairi Wood. Also. My 8-year-old daughter and 10-year-old son over here your training videos. Can you refrain from useful full language? Funny, that's funny. Almost Gerardo. Yeah, it almost, well, for me it took it. Look, it took it here. First time here. Welcome, Tyson Bag. Welcome, brother. So yeah, this could push a bit higher. Still thinking we can push toward monthly high. Like, I have no interest shorting here. I'd rather go long here, targeting the monthly high rather than shorting here. If like stops here, that doesn't really make sense. Algorithm suggested your channel today. Cool. Target bottom for this cycle, bro. Honestly, my first big level will be 71k. I'm not in this short anymore, by the way, guys. This was closed. Okay, so we can put it here. As for reference, this where we long. Personally, I really love this area. Maybe Trump election bottom 69k, but honestly, around 72, 73k, 71k, that's a great level. And then down to 62, but I don't see us going much lower. I mean, maybe we just do this, okay, or this, and from these prices here, I can expect lower, okay, from here. Maybe throughout these levels, 50k, okay, 39, no, but like this might be the bottom, okay, and then we just accumulate and then we go back higher, or we reclaim that and then we go higher. So this is why I'm interested in buying spot here, because if that's the bottom and we didn't buy it because we were expecting 69k, I would be pissed off because I got the fucking bottom, we planned it and we didn't pull the trigger. So at some point you have to kind of pull the trigger, right? So yeah, let's see how it goes, guys. How is ES? Oh, S&P is moving. S&P is still strong. Maybe feeling this. Let's see. What's roaring me on S&P is that we are not able to close above 7k. Okay, 7k is here. We're not able to close. Maybe this week we close above it. On the monthly, same. Multiple monthly under 7k. So let's see. But for now, S&P looks like on distribution for now. Same as BTC, could be tempting, but honestly, I'd wait a little. Check silver, yeah. Let me check silver. Yeah, on the daily, guys, it's crazy, yeah. It's fucking crazy. We dumped, damn, 40%. This is insane. I don't see us recovering. Like, the recover, okay? probably just like range here for a while, okay? Same as gold. Same as gold, it probably range, okay? And that could be nice for BTC because the BTC gold ratio could pump. Let's see Euro USD dumping, also nice. Oh, it went up to 121. Okay. I feel like it could be the time for the Euro USD to dump. That could be nice. Kind of a tree drive here. So yeah. For me, if we cannot reclaim that, this is pretty bearish. Maybe a retest of this level, and then we just go for this liquidity here on Euro USD. That could be nice swing for those who are trading. Like that could be, yeah, like a 4% swing on a Forex Pro. That's nice. Close my BTC long a few minutes, almost 40% profit. Insane. Nice, Rex Von. Nice, nicely done, brother. This sound is so good. Can still push a bit higher to these levels, then go back to the lows. We've got nice levels to play with. Still got plenty of liquidations lower. Still got plenty of liquidations lower. I'm low-key tempted to try a scalp short, but I'd like a bit higher. I'd like a bit higher. Because look, on the monthly, we have high chances to take out the monthly high. We have 100% of the monthly that moves further than 6%. We have 90% of the monthly highs that have a bigger wick. We have 95% of the monthly high that were formed after when current monthly high was formed, okay? So we do have high chances to take that level, which is here. After that, I might be looking for shorts, but not really looking for shorts before we take this, or like we test 80K. I don't know what you guys think. Hello, Mr. Trader. Came here from Telegram. Do you stream every single day? Yes, trying to stream every single day. Scalp is fun. Yes, also. Did you book profit on swing long at 80K if you get it? I don't think so. Depends on the reaction. I might just edge myself. Honestly. Maybe we can retest the 7-day running VWAP on Ethereum. On BTC, same at 82K, around this level, 81K. Like not forcing it here. There's no need to force the trades here, guys. So let's see. Could be a boring day. Could be a boring day because, again, like we saw here on brighter data, we have basically 80% chances that Bitcoin stays within this range, okay, the daily range. Daily high is here, daily low, and we just like spend time here. So why not having like a long here? Or like trying a short here, I don't know. Honestly, I don't really want to force it right now. I don't really want to force it. Again, guys, so you guys know, there's the link for the free Telegram in the descriptions. If you guys want to join the public Telegram, it's in the description of the stream. And also, if you guys want to join the copy trading, the 20k to 100k challenge, I'm already at 22k, so I'm up 10% already. The link for Tapbit is in the description. No KYC required, and you also can get a big deposit bonus. If you deposit $100, you get $60. If you deposit 1k, you get $600, and if you deposit 5k, you get $3k. Okay, in trading vouchers, you can trade with it. Of course, don't create an account, deposit and remove. This won't work. You have to trade a little bit, but it's a good thing. We are at very discounted prices, so that's an opportunity for you to deposit 1k and to get 600 more to basically add size to your longs and to your swing longs. Okay, same for the 5k, same for $100. And there is also a winner in my affiliates that will get a Roland Garros VIP ticket and go with me to Paris. He will have the flight, he will have the hotel, and he will come with me to see quarterfinal, semi-final, or like the final of Roland Garros in the VIP. So that's going to be insane. No, it's not Bybit, it's Tapbit, guys. It's Tapbit, it's another exchange. Je l'écouterai des heures cette musique. Ouais, elle est incroyable. Insane. Too late to buy spy? No. To buy spot? No, guys. Guys, how can this be late? Like, look where we are. We bounced already. I mean, I shot it in the Telegram also, but we still can pump. I mean, this you still can buy spot. We are still at very discounted prices. So yeah, the link for Tapbit is in the description, guys. You guys can join the copy trading. Welcome to the Hotel California. On the last 7 days, basically, I'm up 22%. That's pretty good. 100% win rate. And on the last 90 days, up 13%. So since the challenge was started. Okay, we're getting there. 79Ks. Let's see if we can get to that level. You're enjoying, full of yourself. I like it. What do you mean by that? Yeah, always taking it easy and having fun, guys. This is why I love my job. Getting there, guys. Let me put another so we get the sun when it hits. Getting there. Can we get it? And again, that was a nice idea to not go short here. Now let's keep an eye on the longs. Already 200 million longs in Delta chasing here. Would love a bit higher. Can we take the high, please? Just can't kill the beast. Would love a bit higher. Spot is buying. Prop is joining spot here. Now let's see. We are almost here for the first target. I meant the music and trade, you love doing it. I find trading very hard. Well, trading is hard, but once you put the work on, you get experience, you trade, you lose, and you learn from it. It's become easier. Like that's like everything. It's like tennis, it's like football, it's like studies, it's like any other business. Planning to some short at monthly high, bro? No. What coin would you prefer to buy on spot for a really long-term plan? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hype, Solana, Aster. Is the chart premium? What do you mean? Yes. I mean, this is from the software that you have to pay. The market profile, the TPO here, with the POC, value over high, value over low, you have to get trading view premium. And the rest, no, the running view up, I think it's free. And this is me that I'm not. Trading is an art. Yeah, exactly. It's a skill. It's a business. Like, it doesn't come like that. You have to work. I mean, if you think about it, 99% of the traders are losing, so it's not for everyone, right? And also, the traders in a bank, they make a lot of studies to be there. So you cannot be a trader in a bank if you don't do a lot of studies, etc. Let's do some, as we are waiting for this. Let's do a little gambling. Never. Oh no, bro! I never win this fucking game. I fucking never win. Yeah, 540. Okay, fuck me. Shorting at monthly, I know, guys. And again, I see you guys really wanting for me to take a setup and to trade, but the price action is a bit shit here. And again, why do you guys want to short here? Look how we dumped. Look how we dumped. It's not the moment to focus on short, okay? It's not the moment to focus on short. And never gamble. Honestly, well, like I told you guys at the beginning when I was trading, I was a bit gambling when I was trading. Yo, no! Bro, how is that possible? How? Give me a win, bro. Yeah, when I win, it's because I get nothing. Okay, increasing the size. We do five planes at $10. Oh, 500. Yo, 2K. No! Almost. Yo, Hector, love it. How are you? Yeah, and this lens, of course. What's that? It's on Rollbit. It's Avia Master. But that's a bit of a scam because I like never won. See, I fucking never won. And if it was the $2, I would have win. Now look, $2 and I win. It's always the same. But let's try to get a win. Okay, go back up, 2x, 5. Yeah, 10 for 5, that's bullshit. Okay, last 2 spins. I used to play a game when I was a kid, it looked like Flappy Birds. Yeah, the thing is that here, in order to take off, you need to pay. So. That's gambling, that's a real game, okay? Okay. Fucking land, bro. Oh, shit. I should have stopped here. Well, that was the last. Fuck you. Minus $100. Now let's see. Focus. No, it's not me that is controlling the plane. It's totally random. So let's see if we can get that. Guys. I will stop the stream soon because today I have videos to do. I have to post also the course for the VIP Discord. So if you guys are interested to get access to the course, I will post it here in the VIP Discord, in the VIP Telegram, sorry. Totally free to join. All you have to do is check the link in the description, join the public Telegram, click in the pinned message, see all the instructions here, send me go on Diego Trades contact, and I send you guys the link to join. You just have to create an exchange on our partner an account on our partner exchange. And also in the description, there's the link for Tapbit. No KYC, you guys can join the 20k to 100k copy trading challenge. If you deposit $100, you get 60. If you deposit 1k, you get 600. If you deposit 5k, you get 3k in trading bonus. And one of my followers that is using Tapbit will come with me, will be flown, will have the hotel paid to watch the finals or semi or final of Roland Garros in the VIP section close to the players. So that's going to be insane. I'm going to make a vlog also. So the link is in the description, guys, for those who are interested. Now let's see. If we reject before taking the monthly high, how to participate in the stream giveaway. Today I won't do a stream giveaway, guys. I will do one tomorrow because I have to go. So tomorrow I will give away $200, so $100 to 2 people. And yeah, so that was it, fam. Personally, what I expect now is either pulling back to these levels today and going up, and if it's tomorrow, maybe we take the lows and go up, and that's the level I want to trade. So maybe we take this and we reject later. Okay, so that's really the inflection point right now. We need to take this level. We have high chances to take the monthly high. We have a single print here. We also have a gap here from 80k 700 to 89k, so basically here, okay, and here. So we'll probably take this and maybe go back lower. Okay, this is also the bearish line in 10. Okay, if we take this, we probably climb higher. Okay, that's really the level you want to look at, right? That's important. So let's keep an eye on. I will update you guys. I will also post in the free Telegram here a big weekly update tonight. So if you are not already in the Telegram, join, the link is in the description. And I'm posting in the VIP Telegram a course later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick stream. Unfortunately, we didn't code any trade because I was already long here and I didn't got any setup. I would have loved being long here but didn't got it. So that was it. To update you, I closed the swing short here from 96k. I closed it at 76k and I went swing long on BTC and spot. Same on Ethereum. Closed it, opened it at 3k 300, 3k 400, closed it at 2k 300 and got a nice long from 2k 200 to 2k 300. Tomorrow same time, yeah. See you guys. I was long because we were at discounted prices. We had a lot of shorts chasing and we had very low probability to not take the monthly high. Okay, so that was a great long here, 1-1, almost got stopped, but still in, and let's get to that point. And if I was not sleeping when this happened, I would have added longs here. Oh yeah. When will that 4 winner be chosen? Tomorrow? No, this weekend, guys. I will announce the winners. By the way, there is currently a giveaway running on YouTube. Okay, I will give away $50 to four of you guys. Basically, you check here. Okay, this tweet, you click on this video and you have to comment, to follow the channel and to like, and I will pick up 4 people that are a follower of the YouTube channel that like the video and that also commented, and 4 of them will get $50 in their trading account. So yeah, hopefully you guys can get it. Now it's time for me to go. What is he saying? Yeah, oh, he got this level. Persevere into the daily band. Yeah, I do agree. I do agree. I'd like to think we're close to significant enough lows around here for, yeah, maybe a sweep, maybe another sweep, but we are very close to a bottom. We are very close to a local bottom. Good. That's good. I got a lot of Epstein clip because when I was in the plane, I was looking at all the files. That was crazy. That was really crazy. So yeah, see you guys. Have a good one. See you guys tomorrow for the stream. And yeah, make sure to check the